What's up guys, James here from ExoForma. In this video I want to show you how you can repair a scratch in your paint without using sandpaper. A lot of times if the scratch gets really deep, you're going to have to wet sand it to get it out. This one is shallow enough that we're going to be able to fix it using a really coarse foam cutting pad. These are nice because it's like a step between sanding and using a regular cutting pad. First thing you're going to want to do is check the depth of your paint using a paint depth meter. Here you can see we have 5.27 mils of paint. Now what I did earlier is I checked the door jamb. The door jamb is going to be typically where you have the least amount of clear coat, and the door jamb was about 2.8, 2.9 mils. So that means bare minimum we want to leave that much left when we're trying to take out this scratch. So the first thing we're going to want to do, and in this case you don't even have to have a polisher. If you're a DIY person and want to do it yourself, you don't have a polisher that holds mini polishing pads, you could even use a drill with a backing plate, which is what we'll use for this video. So I'm going to put our heavy cutting pad on, and I'm going to use Quick Cut Compound, which is stage 1 of our 3-stage paint correction system. Put a little on here and start going at this scratch. So if you feel the scratch, you can't feel most of it except this tiny bit here on the end. So we're probably not going to cut far enough. Actually, that's probably past the color coat. So that's just going to have to stay there. The only way to fix that is to touch it up with some paint. Since it's pretty deep, it's going to take a minute. And I'm applying about 10 pounds of pressure. You're going to want to occasionally take a break because you don't want the pad heating up the clear coat too much. That makes it really soft and you'll burn through it super quickly. Put a little more on and we'll go again. All right, so we've still got a little more to go, but what I'm going to do is wipe this off and check the paint depth again just to see how quickly we're going through the clear coat. We're reading about 4.5 mils left, and we started with 5.27. So that means we've still got plenty of clear coat to work with. So what I'll do is I'll get some more Quick Cut Compound and go back at it for a little bit. All right, so after about 7 to 10 minutes of polishing, we'll see what we got. The scratch is about 98% of the way gone. As you can see right here, this part that went all the way through the color coat, that is not going away. We'll check the paint depth here, see how much we've taken off. It's reading at about 3.7 now. We started at, what was it, 5.27? So we took a fair amount out. This is the farthest we're gonna wanna go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move to precision polish and then final finish. And now that it's all cloudied up from the cutting, we're gonna get it back to a vibrant shine. Gonna switch out the pad here. And now we'll move to precision polish to polish out any of the marring that we just caused from the cutting. Wipe that off and you can see that the paint is starting to get its color back. And we'll switch to final finish and a finishing pad. So there you have it. After a couple passes with mirror finish, we're back to that vibrant red shiny color, and the scratch is 95% of the way gone. Typically what you're gonna wanna do after this is add a form of really strong protection. I would recommend a 9H ceramic coating to make up for all the clear coat that you took away.